Hi, my name is Arti and welcome to my channel. In this video you will see how to make a patio with zero costs. Summer is coming and I was decided to make a patio without any experience. As you can see, it was two old raised beds. Of course, before start this work I was looked a couple of videos on YouTube to make sure that I'm doing right. I had old tiles in my garden and there are two different sizes, 600 by 750, they are really heavy, and 400 square tiles. Tools is only used rubber mallet, garden trowel and spirit level. It took me 7 days to complete all works, an average 4 hours a day. I laid 2 lanes with the big tiles and 3 lanes with the smaller tiles. I never done these groundworks in my life before. This is my first experience. I am not professional and please don't judge me strictly. Step by step, day by day, and we can see result, but it's still not finished yet. Beautiful and sunny weather, that's why I need to do this lovely job. Every time check the level. After 4 days we can see big progress, and I like it. This is my little helper, Mark. And now brush time, filling all joints with sand. Also, I laid 3 more big tiles for my egg barbecue. Tiles really dirty and need proper wash. I'm using high pressure washer. And now after cleanings we can see big difference. Last step is landscape bark and decorative chippings. And this is my final result and I am really happy. Looks very nice. Thank you for watching.